Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited. I'm going to show you a pre-owned, I think it's a 2019 Raptor. It's a toy hauler, and it's in great condition, but the floor plan is absolutely, I love it because it's different. You're gonna see. So we're gonna go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. Alright guys, we got a Raptor. It is a 2019. The model is 421CK. We have two slides on this side. Again, it's in great condition. We've got a slide on this side, and you do have an outdoor kitchen. Unfortunately, it's too close to this unit. But there's a fridge, a sink, I think there's a griddle. I cannot remember, but it's really nice. And if I get a chance, or if they move over, then I will make sure to show you. It has, I believe, two electric awnings. You got your toy hauler back here. You got your backup camera prep. You do have your two doors, speakers, all the fun stuff. Now, let's go inside. All right, so this is why I love this unit. It has a separate living space. A lot of times in toy haulers, which is perfectly fine, you'll see the kitchen and the living room kind of in one spot, but I do love that you have this separation. You've got a nice big old couch here. You got a theater seating. You have storage, beautiful windows. Across from that, you got your fireplace, entertainment, and then you do have storage around and above. But again, all of this space right here. Over here, we've got our kitchen with a 3-burner, your oven, your microwave, and more storage. Got a nice big sink, and you do have counter space all the way around, and I love the backsplash on this as well. And then right over here we've got a nice size fridge, very, very big fridge, plenty of space, plenty of room in here to put your goods. And then right over here we have our toy garage area with a nice door, this see-through door. I love this glass door, but tons of space in here. There's your door. You've got your couches that can go into a bed, and then you do have your bed as well up here. Both of them, you know, you could do a bunkhouse, however you want to do it. And then you do have your glass door that has the screened in area, and then you have the garage area that you could, patio that you can put down with the fence around it and everything. And then on this side we have some storage and your entertainment or TV right there. All right, down through here we've got our bathroom. Does have a door to the master bedroom as well, but nice and big. Giant bathroom with a seat. Plenty of space here, plenty of room, nice big counter. You're not going to bump your knees. And then, like I said, there is a door to the master bedroom, which is very, very big. Plenty of room to walk around. You've got a dresser, your washer and dryer prep, a nice big closet, and then, of course, you've got your entertainment over here. I mean, this is plenty big. I love how much space you have in this unit. But what do you guys think of it? It is a 2019. I'd really like to know. And of course, if you have any questions, call, text, email, come see me. But yeah, all my information is going to be in the description. But until next time, guys.